Hello friends and scrapbookers. I am Megan and I am back today to, sorry, my voice apparently does not want to work. I am back to go over 2 of the giveaways that I am doing this month. So far, I've had 2 giveaways and let's see. So I wrote out all the people that commented on the videos. So the first one was from, I think it was from March 31st. I don't remember. It might have been March or April 1st. So this one was for a March scrapbooking store kit and then some extra embellishments from my stash and from that kit from March. Oh my gosh. Sorry. I've been awake since 4 a.m. and it is now almost 7. So I need to get ready to go to bed. But I wanted to post another video and this was the easiest video for me to do tonight. So this is what I'm doing. And then I'm going to go to bed because I have to wake up tomorrow at 3 a.m. Okay, so for the March scrapbooking store kit giveaway, actually, let me go grab that kit. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so I only had a few people comment on this giveaway, and I will send this to the winner. I'll show you in just a minute what the kit entails. But I have Angela Pruitt, 3461, Amy Gill, and Slats in HI, which I'm gonna guess is Hawaii, I think. Okay, so I am going to just cut these down the middle, and this one was just an extra one. I am gonna fold them. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. I just keep yawning and I can't stop. Okay, so we have all 3 of these ladies here, and the lucky winner is, hang on, let's see. I am doing this very, very slow. Okay. Okay. So I am just gonna close my, I'm gonna close my eyes. Maybe I should dump this out. I'm gonna close my eyes and put them in here. You'll just have to trust me that my eyes are closed and I'm looking away. Okay, here we go. And the winner of this kit is dun, dun, Slats in Hawaii. Slats in Hawaii. So yay, congratulations. You are the winner of this kit, and I will kind of show you just a little bit of what is in the kit. I've added a few things, and then also there's a bunch of floral papers in here as well as a full sticker sheet. So I'm just gonna, and there's also a Happy St. Patrick's Day paper and just so much gorgeousness. Like, look at this. I didn't, well, maybe I did fussy cut some of this paper out. I had so much fun making this kit or using this kit. So this is the Flora number 6 collection by Cartabella. If I can get it put back in here without ruining it. And then also what came in the scrapbooking store March kit were these Paige Evans embellishments, and I did use some of these. I think I only used a few of them though, so there's still a lot of them. They started out with 50 and I probably used about 5 of them maybe. Then you're also going to get the Simple Stories, Simple Pages, St. Patrick's Day pieces. So these are all of the pieces that you're going to get. I decided to throw in some sequins from We Are Memory Keepers. These are old. These are from, gosh, it doesn't actually have a date on here. I thought it did, but probably like 2015 maybe is what I want to say. So maybe like 10 years old, but they still work. I have a couple more of these in my stash, and I want to use them up, but I thought I would include them in with today's little giveaway. And then also I am giving duplicates of some of these 3x4 cards. So that is what you won. All you have to do to claim this prize is send me an email, cameramegan@gmail.com. Send me your full name and your address, and I will get it sent off to you. Today was payday, so hopefully it should be within the next few days. I'll get this packaged up and send that out to you. But email me as soon as you can so that I can get you all set up. Okay, then now we're gonna do the load challenge, which is lay out a day with scraphappy.org. I will include all of the details in the description. But we have Crafty Maker Nevada on here, NV, Teacups Mama, Miss Joni Scott, Samara King 69, and Amy Gill. Okay, so I'm gonna cut all of these down the middle, and we'll just do the same thing. So I'm gonna take out these two ladies from the other drawing. And, oh, you know what? I did it the wrong way, because I want to do it that way. There we go. Okay. So I will put, for this giveaway, I can't remember. And like I said, I've been awake since 4 a.m. this morning, so I'm not even going to try to remember what you need to do for this giveaway, but I will have details down below for the load challenge giveaway. I'm pretty sure all you have to do is, I have a link for you that you can use, and then you just put in my code or something. Like I said, I'm totally drawing a blank. I'm the worst giveaway host, but I will put all of the details in the description so that you know how to go and claim your prize. Also, if you don't win this challenge, but you want to participate in Load with Alice Bowl over on scraphappy.org, she is giving all of my followers who want to come and participate a coupon code, and I will have that coupon code below. I think it's just Crafty Meggie 10, and I think you get 10% off the purchase. I went and looked at the price. I think it's $65 if you just want to do the load giveaway, but I'm going to put a little plug in here for scraphappy.org, and I've never been a member. I've heard a lot of amazing things. I have a lot of friends that are members over at scraphappy.org, but if you followed me when I was a design team member for Get It Scrapped, I'm pretty sure that Scrap Happy is a little bit like Get It Scrapped. They have like classes or like live sessions, crops, all of those fun things that they did over at Get It Scrapped. It's just a little bit of a newer company. Get It Scrapped is quite a bit older than scraphappy.org, but I believe you can use my code if you want to become a member. And don't quote me on this, but I think the membership is about $135. It's somewhere between $130 to $135 a year. So if you pay that fee up front, you get load and any other challenges and crops and things included throughout the whole year. So you get a lot more than just this load challenge. And this is $65. So why not pay the $130 to $135 and get everything that you can do? Whoops, I just totally lost one of my people. Hold on. Oh my God. There's a crack in between my desk and my shelf that's right next to it. And of course that's where this went, but I found it. So if you use my code, I believe it's CraftyMeggy10. I will put that in the description below too. You can get, I think, 10% off of the membership. So make sure you use it. Tell your friends all about it. Okay, closing my eyes and looking away, and I'm going to grab the winner of the Layout a Day challenge. And it is Samara King. Yay! So I am so excited. If you have any questions for me, Samara, please just message me here on YouTube. You can leave a comment, or you can just send the questions in an email to me, or you can contact me through, I'm Meggy Blethen on Facebook, also known as Crafty Meggy, or on Instagram, you can contact me as I'm at Crafty Meggy. So Samara, congratulations. And also Slaps in Hawaii, congratulations. Thank you so much for being followers and for hanging out with me this month. I'm so excited that you guys have won these 2 challenges. There is still another challenge to come, so stay tuned. And we will see all the exciting things that we can get into this month. We only have about, a week and a half, 2 weeks left. So I hope that you are enjoying this celebration of me being on YouTube for 10 years and also my 41st birthday on April 29th. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great evening. Bye.